So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once we're on this, there's going to be 4 different methods that we can try. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start Repair. If you don't see Start Repair in this list, you want to click on See More Recovery Options, then it should appear right here. So we're going to click on Start Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load, and it should now boot you back into Windows. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and this time System Restore. Now once we're here, if you have any restore points that you think may be causing a problem, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. See if that works for you. If you don't have any restore points, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. For the next method, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and this time Uninstall Updates. You could try doing an uninstall of the latest quality updates. And then click on Uninstall again. Now if it lets you uninstall it, see if that fixes your problem. If not, we're going to click on Close. For the next method, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, this time Startup Settings, and then click on Restart. And now once we're on this, we're going to enable safe mode. So you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4, which will now take us into safe mode. Wait for this to load. And now once we're on this, you want to head over to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to expand Display Adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Driver. Now if it lets you, you want to click on Rollback Driver, if it lets you, and then click on OK. And now after you do that, you just want to restart your computer. It's going to take you back to Windows, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then you want to come back into this screen and then click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once we're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. And now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, we're now going to type in chkdsk C:/F//R. If your Windows drive is a different letter than C, then you can change that letter. But it's most likely also going to be C for you as well. So now you want to click on Enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Again, I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be done. And now once that's been done, we're just going to close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem. For the last method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, and now you want to click on Reset this PC. If you don't have your personal files backed up, you want to click on Keep My Files. However, if you do, then you can just go remove everything. You want to reset your PC, and then this should now fix your problem.